To the incredible media team at Southeast Public Library, Ms. Arliss, Mr. Brown, Ms. Kaisha, Ms. Kyrese, and Cody, thank you for showing me care and showing up time and time again.
The KCDML is an after-school program primarily for students 12 and up. They can come into the lab and hang out, but then we also have activities that they can do, including the makerspace. We have a recording studio, so the students can come and make music in the recording studio. All kinds of drawing materials too, from digital tablets to just regular old art supplies. Students can come in and work with me on art, which is my main focus.
It's like a lot of things to do. When I was younger, at first I did the robotics because there used to be a robotics team. So I learned a lot about robots and like how to like set them up and stuff. I also got a chance to learn about a lot of art. Like with Miss Arliss, I used like a lot of different art softwares like Blender and Photoshop, which I learned to use like really well. And it came in handy because I ended up using them a lot for like different projects and stuff. I was able to like learn more like what's outside of school, like those things that will help me later on in college.
Sarah was just a regular in the lab. She would come in after school. So she would come in with applications for different scholarships. She would come in with homework that she was working on. And she was very fearless to ask for help if she needed it. I've just always been impressed with just the amount of work and time she put into everything she was interested in. Because of all her hard work, Sarah ended up being top of her class. She was valedictorian. The staff at the library all got to attend the graduation. And then when Sarah gave her speech, we were all really, really, really surprised.
If we ever needed anything, like even on a personal level, they were just like always there. And that's why I wanted to include them, because they did not just help me, they just help a lot of people at my high school. So I just needed to highlight them because I feel like they don't really get highlighted enough.
We were all just kind of crying. Miss Kaisha was crying, I was crying, because for her to mention us felt really special because we were so proud of her. And it was nice to know that she could tell that we were supporting her. She could tell that we all were pulling for her. So it was really special.